Okay, so I'm just going to show the instrumentation cluster in case if you can see this. This is just showing the energy flow from मतलब battery से to wheels or wheels से battery. So there is an option for cruise control which I got after the third what is that? The software update. So let me just show you how do I use that actually. So let me zoom back to that same normal position. So यहाँ पे on the here I change this. This shows me trips again. Change it again. Change it again. And here we go. This is the cruise control, and let me just click this on. See my speed now abhi kitna hai, so it's almost like 62 or something like that. So once I set this, double click on this, it is set. Okay, now it's cruising in 60. I can show you. I am keeping nowhere my foot on the pedals. You can see, and it is cruising now. और एक चीज है, so it's kind of a video game kind of a thing. So I increase and I can decrease also. So that's the thing. But make sure that you look at the road all the time and do all of this. So once I click on the okay, I have a brake, it releases. So this feature Tata had to give before only on the Nexon when I had got it, but tab nahi tha cruise control, but now it is there. Nice, a very nice feature for long drives actually. So let's start cruising from here as well. I am. So yeah, so as you also saw, like how do you use the cruise control in this vehicle, because the cruise control was not there when I got this vehicle, क्योंकि ये prime vehicle नहीं था. अभी ये prime के लिए software update दिया गया है, तो that's another advantage. But cruising also, it's a benefit, but आपको you have to actually see if it is too elevating. When the elevation is there, तो देखना पड़ेगा. You have to again start your paddles. So